Okay, I want you to picture something for me. It's a little jarring, so just go with it. Imagine you're in a dark room, maybe a basement, and there's this track just blasting. It's super aggressive.
Okay.
Heavy trap beat, right? The bass is making everything rattle. But then on top of all that, you hear Gregorian chanting in Latin.
Right, which is already a combination that just, it shouldn't work, but it kind of does.
It totally does. And it's called dark Russian rap.
Yeah.
But here's the real kicker. The artist, not a real person. The producer doesn't speak a word of Russian, he doesn't play any instruments, and he definitely doesn't know any monks.
He's just a guy at a computer.
Exactly. He's a guy named Jesse, and he's staring at a spreadsheet of keywords.
Yeah.
And this whole Russian mafia music niche he's basically invented, it's part of a system that's making him almost $50,000 in just a couple of months.
That number is the part that usually, stops people in their tracks. We're not talking about spare change here. We're looking at a breakdown from his channel. It's called AI Music Money, and he's claiming he pulled in over $20,000 just in December, and then another $20,000 in January.
And I want to be super clear here, because my brain immediately went to this. This isn't money from selling a course on how to make money with AI.
No, it's not consulting. It's royalty revenue.
Yeah.
Cold, hard,